Why do plants need water and sunlight?
In order for photosynthesis to occur, photosynthesis is the process by which plants use the energy of the sun to make their food. All animals, including humans, rely on this process to survive. Green plants make sugars by combining carbon dioxide gas and water. In order to do this, they need energy from the sun.
How do they get all of these ingredients?
A leaf has tiny openings called stomata on its underside. These stomata breathe in carbon dioxide from the air. Meanwhile, a system of veins delivers water and nutrients from the roots up to the leaves. Each green leaf contains chlorophyll, the chemical that makes it green. The chlorophyll captures energy from the sunlight. This energy helps combine the carbon dioxide with the water to make glucose, a kind of sugar.
And plants use these sugars as food.
Exactly. But in addition to providing food for plants, photosynthesis also releases oxygen into the air through the stomata. Oxygen is a waste product of the food-making process. People and animals use this oxygen to breathe.